Hello, in this video I will share the tutorial how to delete and change the background of photo. Here we will use the background eraser and Pixel Lab application. And immediately, first we open the background eraser application. Click load a photo. Crop as much as possible. Click done. In this menu, we use auto mode. First, auto is used if we want to remove uniform colors. Next, magic mode. We clean the parts that are not deleted before. We can enlarge the image so we can erase the more detailed parts. If we want to repair erased part, we can use repair. We also have to be carefully so that the results are good. We can also use the manual eraser for a smoother erase result. We click done. This section is to smooth the edge of the photo. And we save the finished photo in the Save menu. We will use the Pixel Lab application to replace the photo background and that was deleted earlier. First, we will determine the background color. We will use blue as a background color. Let's set the weight in 900 and height to 1200. Then, we import the previous photo. Cut accordingly. Then we expand the photo according to the background. And we click the save icon to save the image.